makes you think BCI's Pharmision is suited, to help a company along, in their journey, if I may say so, to digitally transform their warehouses?
Yeah, so over a decade and a half that we have worked with the pharma industry and the domain understanding that we have had, we've realized that this industry strives and thrives on tenets of very stringent compliances, and they expect that data integrity is an ingrained aptitude. This is what we have thought of when we actually designed and developed the product. So what we have done is we have very seamlessly connected the user, the activity and the process in such a manner that there is zero room for any error or any manual intervention. So what we have built in the product is it is granular but modular, it is scalable and very easily deployable. We've built in standard industry ERP connectors. It is cloud ready, but it can be deployed in multiple methods. It is hardware agnostic. And last but not the least, the disruptive pricing is actually a surprise. And I think we are looking at a customer delight.
Oh, it looks like a product which I think BCI's customers should absolutely love.
I hope so.
I think the other thing which is on a CXO's mind as they look to make significant changes to their existing processes and make investments, therefore, the one thing that I would always think about is this product future ready? Will this investment pay off in the future? So would you describe Pharmision as a product that is future ready?
Sure. Well, like I said, it is cloud ready, and cloud is something to look forward to. Pharma, we believe, will adopt cloud pretty soon. From a technology perspective, we've already thought of and integrated Pharmision WMS with Smart Lens, with ESRS, with robotics, with RFID, voice. It's an ongoing process of enhancement, adding new features. We are also building an analytical platform for giving more informed decisions. So it's a journey.
That's great, Dinesh. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I would look forward to speaking to you again and see how we are doing with BCI's Pharmision.
Thank you.